Right. So before I start this is a little bit later. I did the I filmed my haul, and as I always, I film gifts and I film everything else. And so now that you've watched, if you've seen first, I have one, and this is part two. This is because when I went to go edit, the thing was about an hour long, based on the fact that I had so much that I had bought and the gifts. So I have now split them in two, so that's why you're seeing this is part two. So this video are the gifts that I received in October from my beautiful friends, and so I'm going to stop here and let's let the video roll. All right, so let's get to this haul, and I'm going to try, because I started talking earlier and I just went on, and I noticed how long it was, and I was like, okay, we can't do this. So anyway, up in the middle of the night, hence there's no makeup. And I hate to have to, like, you know, justify myself filming without makeup, because the expectation is, you know, I should fix my face and all that other stuff. But it's 4 o'clock in the morning and that just wasn't happening. So first off, let's start with gifts. And I always want to start with gifts because I so appreciate them. I mean, I just cannot, I know y'all really can't understand how much I appreciate when I am given a gift. That just like does something to me. And I know it's like, yeah, but really I do appreciate them. I'm just always so overwhelmed when I get them, and it's like, wow. So I want to always say thank you. So the first thing is my Patreon, which I'm getting rid of, and I'll talk about that in another video. What I bought with that money is not here yet because it's a pre-order, and you know pre-orders can take forever to get. So that's the only thing about indie brands and doing these pre-orders. It'd be like, okay, so anyway, let's get into the gifts. So the first thing happened this month was that in October we had the brunch and beauty. And the brunch and beauty was, you know, we're getting together with some people, you know, my gentlemen, but nobody came. It was only 3 people who came, which was awesome. It was Ladessa of Blogless Behavior. It was Lisa Springer and Karen Kielbasa. They hung out with me. We hung out together. And what happened was we were supposed to go out to brunch, but I wasn't looking at the dates, and I didn't until the last minute, and I figured it out was that, it was Columbus Day weekend, which in Chicago is when they do the Chicago Marathon. And it was going to be a nightmare trying to go in that direction, downtown or any place that we wanted to go to get some food. So it was like, nope, we're not doing that. So they wound up coming over my house. We hung out, which would actually wound up being really nice. I made ramen for them, and we hung out in a way that we wouldn't have been able to if we had been in a restaurant, because it's like your time limit, you know, they looking at you like, y'all gonna leave? Y'all gonna leave? So we were able to hang out. All right, so now let's talk about the things that they gave me. And I was so surprised because so Lisa comes from Wisconsin, and she came with this bag, and she's like, this stuff, I want to give it to you. I can send it to you, but since I'll go see y'all, and I'm like, because I really wasn't expecting it, because when they come, I give them a gift. So here's the things that she gave me. She gave me a bunch of sheet masks. What the heck did I just do? How did that work out like that? She gave me a bunch of sheet mask. Oh yeah, I did put this one. Sheet mask. Okay, she gave me the, and how many times am I going to say sheet mask? I don't know. But anyway, she gave me these because if y'all know I love skincare, I'm a skincare whore. So she gave me those. I don't know where I'm going to put them at now. Let me throw those right there. Okay, she gave me those. And then she gave me lip balms, because another thing, if you know anything about me, I love a good lip balm. I'm always buying lip balms. Matter of fact, there's some in the haul. So she gave me this EOS, the Marine Collection. And she gave me one of my favorites, which is Lip Freak. She gave me another cinnamon one. If you like that buzzing feeling, like that burning cinnamony feeling on your lips, this is Lip Freak is the one. And she got me some more poised lashes, because you can never have enough lashes. And it was just like when I was thinking, I need to give me some more lashes. Stop playing, you need more lashes. And the lash fairy said, we're going to give you some lashes. So she gave me that. And then she gave me the Smashbox Pinks and Palms, because we had been talking about this and I hadn't gotten around to getting it. And we were talking about this in my group, and y'all know I love pink. Pink is my favorite color. So she got me the Pinks and Palms. And it's so funny she got it for me, because this is when I decided to finally try my Smashbox cover shots, and found out I liked them. So here's another one. And then she gave me these. Another thing that I love. I'm a geek. I love Harry Potter. I love Dr. Seuss. And so she got me these Harry Potter. I don't know if you can see it says Mischief Managed, which I've been drinking out of, obviously. And this says, I solemnly swear that I'm up to no good, which is so me. She got me these wine glasses. Yes, love it, love it, love it. All right, so then next up, Karen. So Karen came with a bunch of stuff that she was like, well, you know, I have this stuff and I've never used it and I want to get rid of it. So technically, and I think Lisa brought this Rodeo Drive highlighter over, because they were bringing over stuff they didn't use. And so me and Ladessa lost our minds. And, well, we all kind of got stuff from everybody. But I got this over highlighter in Rodeo Drive, which is what I've been wanting for quite some time. And then Karen brought over a bunch of stuff. So we lost our mind and went through this stuff she had, right? So let me show you the things that I got. Now, I told y'all I got these red cherry lashes from her. These are awesome. I love them. I'm going to be buying more. The human hair, so it's still problematic because I'm trying to figure out where the human hair comes from. But I still want them. Now, she also had these J-Cat Beauty ones. So me and Ladessa got a bunch of lashes from her. I got these J-Cat Beauty eyelashes. So boom, I got that. And then this is something that she had bought based on my recommendation, but she said the fragrance was too much, so she couldn't use it. And I feel bad because now I have it and I wanted her to use it. But it's this, what is it called? Ziaja. It's this goat's milk moisturizing day and night cream. I love this stuff. It's a really good, inexpensive moisturizer, especially for someone. I use it in the wintertime because it's a thicker one. It's not like a gel one where, you know, for oil, like a lot of oily skin people like. This is for if you have normal to dry skin, especially in the wintertime. It's a thicker formula, but it really works. It's a really nice, inexpensive one. But the fragrance she couldn't deal with. Then she also brought this over, which I was like, oh yes, I'm taking this, which was this Cover FX blurring primer. She said she got it. She didn't like it, or dry skin, whatever. It's mine now. So there we go. Then she brought some blushes, and I try not to take everything, but I did take a lot. And I think this is the one she brought, which is this Note Luminous Blush. Look at this color, y'all. Look at that color. Y'all see that color? This is such a pretty, this is gonna be so gorgeous for the wintertime. Y'all see that? That's such a pretty nude blush. Yes. And I love blush. And finally, she had a bunch of Demeter, which I still have a bunch of them in the house. She had brought these Demeter fragrances, and so there was this oud one that I kind of liked, so I kept it. Excuse my nails. I think I'm cutting them all off. I think I'm gonna go short for a while. What do y'all think? Anyway. Oh, and anything that you see in this video, if you would like me to talk about them, do some other things. Some of the stuff I already know that I'm going to be doing some reviewing and, you know, doing videos on. But, you know, just let me know. Just let me know what you really love and what you would like to talk about, hear about, and everything. So anyway, that was that. Next up, I'm going to do my lovely Lily. Lily is Gadget Lily on YouTube. She has a channel, and she went to France, and she bought me a few things she got me a few things, and she's so cute because like everything she did, she sent these like little notes about them, so I understood why she bought them. So she got me a few things. Now, of course, look, Lily, if you don't know Lily, let me just tell y'all, Lily is the Shiseido Princess Queen. Loves Shiseido, loves it, loves it, loves it. So she gave me some Shiseido Deep Cleansing Foam for oily to blemish prone skin. I'm going to try this out, see how it works on my skin. She got me quite a few little samples. I think when she was just shopping around, she got me all these little samples, creams and everything, because everybody knows I like skincare. So like Drunk Elephant Proteini, a little of that for me to try. So a few things that I could just try out and see what I liked. Cool. She got me this green mascara. And it's called, I can't see the name, so I haven't opened it yet. So I'm going to try it out with probably a green look, because it's a green mascara. So I should do a green look. She got me these Sephora. She got me a eyeshadow and a nail polish. And she said that they say the pigment in the shadow from France is better. Don't know, but now I'm gonna have to go get one from here and see. I'm gonna try to see, can I find this exact one and see if it's different. That would be cute. Okay, nail color. And then she said, I thought it's cute, pretty color, not sold in the store that she works in. So she gave me that. And then she got me some and I've used a little pack of it, but this was this is the new dry oil. She sent me a sample of this before for me to try out, and I love it. So there was a little sample of it, which I've already used. But then she gave me this little, this, like, what is this, a third of an ounce, a smaller one to try. And this is this dry oil from France. Love it, love it. They sell in Sephora, so, you know. And then she got me this, the same company, their La Parfum, right here. Right here. Let's see if y'all can see it right there. And I like it. It's a very, I can't even explain the scent to it, but it's a very different. It's kind of on the feel of like my La Vie Belle, something similar to that, but a different smell. So I'm not going to say they smell similar, but they remind me of each other. And I really like it. And baby, I got a lot of it. So yay. So I have something new to put in my perfumes, because I got to work on my perfume collection. I think that's going to be 2019. I rolled my eyes on myself. That was me rolling my eyes on myself, because it's like, oh yeah, because you need to add something else to buy. But, you know, okay. So last, I'm going to talk about what Ladessa got me. Ladessa is from Blogless Behavior. She's my, she my YouTube sister. You know, we sisters in the struggle. We're trying to, you know, grow. We're trying to be like the best YouTubers we can be. And she got me a few things. So one of the things she got me was she got me some stickers for my planner. So I'm working on my planner, and she got me some stickers for it, which is awesome. Awesome. So some new stickers, and I'm really trying to work with these and like use the stickers in my planner. Everybody told me to watch YouTube videos on it, but I will not. And the reason why I will not is because all I can see is myself getting caught up in doing something else, spending money on another obsession. So I'm just going to work with what I have and figure it out along the way. That's my plan. So anyway, she got me that. I went to visit her at her house, and she gave me this sample that she had. She said she didn't like the Tatcha silk canvas because I was talking about how I wanted it, and she said she had it, didn't work for her. So she gave it to me, so I got that. Then she got me, when she was buying hers, the Ooh La La palette from ColourPop. Oh, this thing is so gorgeous. Y'all seen them pinks and stuff. You see I've already used it. I will be doing a look with this, I think. If you all would like to see it, let me know. And she got me, when we were shopping the other day, she got me this Essence Peach Loose Setting Powder. So boom, got that. Now, her last thing she got me was this bag from the makeup show. I don't want y'all to see my armpits. That's just gross. Okay, so she got me this bag from the makeup show. Okay, so that's it for all the awesome gifts that I was given this month by my friends. Y'all are my friends, you know. I mean, honestly, hell, I talk to y'all more than I talk to a lot of people that I know. So you all are my friends, and I so appreciate it. Thank you. If you watch this, give it a thumbs up. You know, leave any comments in the, you know, leave any comments you would like. I don't know, good or bad. Hey, it is what it is. And if you made it this far and you like what you see, go on and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell too. I never say that because, you know, YouTube be tripping on the notification. So make sure everybody who watches me hit that notification bell. All right, it's your Lulu. Be bold, be brave, be fearless, be free. Talk to you later.